This is my gaming slash video editing computer. It's pretty nice, but when I look at it, you know, it's nice, but I feel like it's missing something. I got this LED fan right here, and then I also have my water cooler, which has a glowing, basically like an eye in the front. I don't think it has, I don't feel like it has enough light in it. So what I did was I ordered this off of Amazon. It just came in. This is the controller for it. And what it is, it's a remote control LED light strip. And it plugs into the USB port on your computer or any USB, so you can put this thing anywhere. You can put it in your car, like under your dash. The back has this 3M tape on it, so you can take it off and you can put it anywhere. But the reason I bought it for my computer was, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line the inside of this with this LED strip, and then that should give it a lot more light than it already has now. And I'm gonna get this set up and I'll show y'all what the finished product looks like. Alright, got everything set up now. This is the USB cable, and it's running through the back hole right here. If you don't have that hole, you can probably just drill one out. But this is a gaming case, so it might differ from yours. And then we got this coming back here and then just stuck in the USB port. It didn't take but 2 seconds to install. I'm going to start it up and see how it looks. I'm going to turn it on now. So this is with the blue, or you can have it light up different colors. It gives the inside of the case a real nice glow. Let me see if I can turn some light on. Since most of the stuff on my computer is red already, I'm just gonna go ahead and make everything red. And you can just do that with, all you have to do is click the button for which color you want. So you got blue, you got yellow, you got plain white. Then you got all these different effects, like you got the strobe light, you got fade, which sort of like changes colors while it's fading. And then if you set it on a color, there's a switch on here where you can raise and lower the brightness level. So if you want it real down low, you just lower it all the way down. And then if you want it like super bright, you can turn it way up. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna leave it on one color with the red, and it's probably gonna look better with the case closed. But I got the door right here. I'm gonna put it on here. But yeah, it looks a lot better now, in my opinion. It's got a lot more light. I think that should go through the glass. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's still working through the glass. Yeah, that shit looks real nice. Yeah, I appreciate you checking out the video. If you want to know where to buy this, the link is in the description. And please like and comment if you like the video. And I'll see you in the next one.